Hey, this is Sandy, and I have another recipe from the Simply Earth Bath and Spa Hero Kit. This one is a bath melt. I have prepared my mold. I've put rose petals in it, and I'm going to be using a bottle of rose geranium essential oil. It has the nice smell of rose, but it is not as pricey as rose essential oil is. It takes quite a few pounds of rose petals to make rose essential oil, so it is a very precious essential oil, and again, very costly. So I have melted here coconut oil and some emulsifying wax. The emulsifying wax is a moisturizer, so it's going to, when you use these in the bathtub, it's going to help to moisturize your skin. So I have just melted all these. The emulsifying wax melts, it takes longer for it to melt, and the coconut oil melts pretty quickly. So I'm going to go ahead. So this recipe calls for just over 100 drops of essential oil, and a 5 milliliter bottle is about 100 drops of essential oil. So I'm gonna pour this in and mix it up well. And then I will put these in the mold, and they will need to solidify. So when you use a bath melt in the tub, you need to be careful because, of course, the coconut oil is going to make your tub a little slippery. So you need to be very careful. So I guess what you'll want to do is you'll want to run your bath and put one of these wax melts in it to moisturize your skin and just give that extra luxury to your bath. So here we go. I'm gonna start pouring them in. Let me do that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, I have everything all in here. I probably should have done it on a tray because then I can take it and put it into the refrigerator and let it solidify. Anyway, if you live in a warm climate, the coconut oil will tend to melt. I think it's something at like 72 degrees or something. So you might want to leave these in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. You could even leave them in the freezer, whatever you want to do. You can personalize this any way you want to. Again, I used rose geranium and rose petals to just give it that prettier look. Anyway, I'll leave you a link below. I'll leave you a coupon code below. And if you have questions, leave them below. Take care.